Hello, all. I'm glad to meet you in the next video lecture on the super keyword in Java. The super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by super reference variable. The usage of Java super keyword is to refer immediate parent class instance variable, is to invoke immediate parent class method. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. So here we have used the we have the class animal. Under that we have the variables and printing statement. In class dog, we extend the animal and we have the super keyword which invokes this method sound and the here when we want to invoke the function through inheritance, then we use this keyword super to achieve that. Then coming to the concept called static array. In Java, array is the most important data structure that contains elements of the same type. It stores elements in the contiguous memory location. There are two types of array, that is static array and dynamic array. In this section, we will only focus on static array in Java. Static array that is declared with a static keyword is known as static array. It allocates memory at compile time whose size is fixed. We cannot alter the static array. If we want an array to be sized based on input from the user, then we cannot use static arrays. In such a case, dynamic arrays allows us to specify the size of an array at runtime. So we have an example. For example, int array 10 creates an array of size 10. It means we can insert only 10 elements. We cannot add 11th element as the size of the array is fixed. So here it's an example of creating a static integer array, and here it's an example for the dynamic integer array, declaring a static array. The syntax to declare a static array is data type, variable name, and then the list of data elements. So, if we know that the elements in our array is fixed, then we can go with the static array declaration. Or when you want to extend the elements, number of elements in array, then you need to declare in the dynamic array. So example program explaining the static array is given. Public class static array example, the class declaration, and then comes the private static string array. Static array is equal to new string. In array 0, we have welcome to, and array 1, it has Java point. So the string data type holds to, we have the size 2, so it holds from the index value 0 and 1, two elements are stored. Now we have the main statement, and that we have the for loop which checks for this condition and it iterates the statement, print statement until the condition is false. And here we are printing the values of welcome to Java T point. Yes, because we have mentioned the condition as array dot length. So output will be welcome to Java T point. That's coming to the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed the video lecture, and we will meet once again in another class video lecture on Java. Thank you.